This is one of my favorite jobs to date. This Porsche 911 Carrera 4S came in for a two-step paint correction and a ceramic coating along with some PPF repair. We started out with a hand wash of the paint and wheels, followed up with a glass polish to remove any sealants that exist on the glass so we could coat it later. This also removes water spots so the coating goes on flawlessly. You can see the water sheeting here so you know that it needs some protection. The interior was dirty, so we had to take care of that as well, and now we can finally see the actual condition of the paint. These Porsches have super soft black paint, and it takes an extreme amount of specialty expertise to get a great finish on these black Porsches, because if you just cut them and don't finish them correctly, they'll come out hazy and looking arguably worse than when you started. This vehicle had only about 20,000 miles on it, so for this amount of swirls to be in the paint already, you know that it must be very soft. I made sure to include plenty of before shots here so you could see the real condition of the paint, and we put a ton of work on this to make sure it came out great. This shows how the paint protection film saved the front clip from scratches, and then we finally got to polishing. Our process included a 21mm throw Rupes DA with a black and white cutting pad, as well as a black polishing pad with 3D finishing polish. You can see how great these shots came out after this two-step process, and with that super bright LED light, you can no longer see any swirls. This was a super in-depth process that took 2 guys 2 full days to complete, and we also replaced that piece of PPF you see on the fender there. It was pitted up from the wide fender getting rocks kicked into it, so we wanted to fix it and make it look amazing. Of course, we installed a System X Max G Plus ceramic coating to add some gloss and protection to the paint, and this vehicle, once again in the sun, there's no hazing, there's no swirls, came out completely immaculate, and I was super happy to have worked on this vehicle. If you're in the Denver area and want a similar transformation for your black car, reach out to me and I'll make it happen.